Drop your pencils. Look at me. A. Capital A. Capital A. Small a. Apple. Sorry, keep your pencil in your bag. Apple. Vishal, close your book. Fold your arm. Fold your arm. Apple. An ant is an apple. Apple. I'm talking to you. Keep your pencil in your bag. Fastly. Okay. Apple. Look at me, bacha.